Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell things on the DonutsMP. First, you'll want to understand the server's unique economy and identify items in high demand. Next, decide whether to open a personal shop or use the auction house for your transactions. Pricing your goods correctly is crucial. Aim for competitive rates to attract buyers quickly. We'll cover these essential steps to help you become a successful seller on the server, maximizing your in-game profits and making your selling experience smooth and enjoyable. Setting up your shop effectively is key to attracting customers. If you're building a physical store, select a high-traffic area where players frequently pass by. Clearly label your items with signs, indicating both the product and its price per unit. For the auction house, list your items with a reasonable starting bid and a buy now price if you want a quicker sale. Remember, visibility and clear information are vital for successful transactions, ensuring buyers know exactly what they are getting. Effective pricing is a cornerstone of successful selling. Always research the current market value of items similar to yours to ensure you're competitive. Factor in the rarity of your goods and the current player demand. Highly sought-after items can command a higher price. Consider offering small discounts for bulk purchases, perhaps 5% off for 10 items, to incentivize larger transactions. This strategy can help you move inventory faster and maintain a steady flow of income on the server. To truly maximize your sales and profits, active promotion is essential. Don't hesitate to advertise your shop or auction listings in the global chat at appropriate intervals, perhaps every 15 minutes. Keep a close eye on your inventory and restock popular items promptly to avoid missing out on sales. Engaging positively with buyers, offering excellent service, and maintaining a good reputation will encourage repeat business and word-of-mouth referrals, helping you become a top seller on the DonutsMP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.